Today we're going to be talking about something really interesting that's happening in the electronics industry related to cleaning and disinfecting amidst this COVID environment. Hi there, my name is Tchoi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office. Now, before we begin, I just wanted to give out my warm wishes to anybody that's been really severely impacted by the COVID environment, and my condolences to anybody that's lost somebody during this tragic time. Now, amongst this uncertain time, there's one thing for certain, is that we're all more conscious about cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. Now, in the electronics business, where we have a lot of touchscreens, tablets, phones, interactive monitors, it becomes even more true about how to clean and disinfect your surfaces because they are usually shared by the public. One thing that's really interesting that's happened is that the Center for Disease Control released a statement about how to disinfect electronics. Now, one of the statements from the Center of Disease Control's website is to consider using alcohol-based wipes or sprays containing at least 70% alcohol. Now, what's really interesting is that consumer manufacturers like Apple, Dell, and Garmin, and industrial manufacturers like Smart Technologies, Elo, and Crestron have all adopted the Center for Disease Control's new guideline of using 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean their touchscreens. What I'll do is leave links down below to all the manufacturers' website that lists their cleaning and disinfecting protocols. As I dig up more information on other manufacturers, I'll add to the list down below as well. Now, as you know, my sponsor is iCloth. They make cleaning wipes. Their regular wipes contain 25 to 30% isopropyl alcohol, and they do a great job cleaning their surface. Now, the way that I relate cleaning is like washing your hands with soap and water. The soap itself is not a disinfectant, but the soap and water remove the dirt and grime from your hands, and the dirt and grime is essentially what the bacteria and all the nasty stuff is attached to. But if you wash your hands for 20 seconds, all that stuff is gone. So with the 70% isopropyl wipes, not only do the wipes clean the dirt and grime off your device, but it also kills all the nasty germs. So these 70% isopropyl wipes from iCloth are coming out in 4 to 6 weeks time after the launch of this video. Now, if you're interested in pre-ordering the 70% isopropyl wipes from iCloth, what I'll do is I'll leave my email address down below and just shoot me a quick note saying that you're interested. I'll reply back to you, and I'll also answer any questions that you may have. Now, I've been asked for samples of our 70% isopropyl wipes. Unfortunately, there are no samples right now because we're ramping up our production, but what I can tell you is that it uses the same aerospace approved material like you see on our regular wipes. The only difference is what it's saturated with. So with the 70% isopropyl wipes, they're going to be saturated with that 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% purified water, both of which are important to note are pharmaceutical grade. So there you go. From iCloth, you have a solution to clean your electronics using our regular iCloth wipes. Or if you want to clean and disinfect, you can move up to our 70% isopropyl wipes to clean and disinfect your electronics. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and forward this to your friends, family, and coworkers. We want to make sure that everybody is safe in this environment. We want to make sure everything is clean and disinfected where it needs to be disinfected. And of course, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and remember to tap on that bell to be reminded of my video uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.